Hello, my name is Evelyn Joy and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be removing some marker from a table. Yesterday my 3-year-old took a quote-unquote washable marker to my white table. So I'm going to attempt to use Lysol all-purpose cleaner and this scrub brush. I think this is from either Walmart or Dollar Tree. I think Dollar Tree. And some paper towels. Okay, I'm letting it sit for a minute. I'm going to use the scrubby side, the scratchy side, and try to get it off like that. Okay. Nice. Wonderful. It came right off. Okay, now I'm going to take a paper towel and wipe it off. It worked. Hallelujah, it worked. I'm thrilled. Since that worked so well, I'm gonna try it on some stains that haven't come off in like 6 months. Let's try it. This has been here for a long time. Let's try this. See what I can get off. This is crayon. We'll see what happens. Let it sit for a minute. I was so surprised it worked so well. Okay, so I let it sit for a minute, and now we're gonna scrub it. Oh, nice. Okay, some of it's probably not gonna come off, but hey, it's worth a try, right? Crayon is a lot harder to get off sometimes. Okay, oh, wow, that crayon came off. Some of it's came off. It's not completely coming off, but let's put some elbow grease in it. I'm using the scratchy side and scrubbing hard. So. Ooh, I got some off. Let's use a paper towel. Well, it's not all better, but it's a lot better. I'm satisfied with that. At least some improvement on my table.